brown one. The prices and all will be shown on the screen. It's a little tricky to line your upper waterline, but like very less. So there's a little bit of color getting added. Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. Makeup look is to have a very clean face, but before that, yeah, we have to tie our hair as well. So the very first thing is that we have to prep our skin very nicely so that it looks, it gives that glow from within wala look. So for that, I will try out my all-time favorite moisturizer, which is Cetaphil. I will be using a little of that and apply it on my face. I have my mirror over here, so you might see me, looking to the side quite often. So now that I have moisturized my face very well, I will be using a CC cream. I will be using the Lakme CC cream. This is my shade 01 Beige. I will be using this CC cream to, in place of a foundation. No makeup look is all about, light makeup. So I wanted to avoid a foundation at all cost. It's a very thick and dense cream and which spreads very easily. So we won't need a lot of quantity for this. Since my base is very moisturized, that's why the makeup is actually gliding very well. The CC cream is gliding very well. So now that I have blended out the CC cream very nicely, I will go for my concealer. As you can see, I have little, acnes and little bit of pigmentation around my mouth. So that needs to be concealed out. And my under eye area as well. But at the same time, we won't be going too overboard with concealer because we just want to keep it very light. I'm looking like a ghost right now, but we will blend this one out quickly. So as you can see, my base is clearly made and it's done. So now we will go over to our next step, which is defining the eyebrows. So it's a no makeup look, and your cut of your face, your skin and the eyebrow makes a lot of difference. So I am using the Wet n Wild retractable eyebrow pencil. I will link everything on top, and this is the medium brown one. The prices and all will be shown on the screen, and it is an angular shaped pencil. So with this one, I will define my eyebrows now. Okay, now that lining the brows are done, we have a spoolie at the end of this pencil, and we will just brush out the excess color if anything has accumulated over here. My eyebrows are now done, and the next step would be to something for the eyes. So what we will do is that we won't be, lining the eyes or, putting kajal, but what we are going to do is we will be lining the upper waterline with this eyeliner pencil. This is from L18, and it is a soft kajal pencil, which is why I'm using this, because the upper waterline will be a little bit sensitive, and I'll hold my breath and try it out over here. So it's a little tricky to line your upper waterline, but like if you can see already, there's a difference between the two eyes, and let's try it out. So So both the eyes are done now. We will be taking this lip and cheek tint. This is from Blue Heaven. I bought it, and we will be using little bit of color and put it on our eyelids just to make a little bit of a flushed out look. Our fingers only, not much, very less. So there's, you know, a little bit of color getting added. So I think both the eyes are done now. Next, the most important thing is to use a mascara. So my eyes are done. Next, we will, to get that blushed look, we will use a little bit of a tint over here, which is the earth. So this is a liquid, you know, gel kind of a consistency, and we will be using few drops on one on nose, cheek, two on cheek. Okay. And now we will have to blend this to make it as natural looking as possible. Okay, so now that this blush is also done, we will go with a very nude lipstick. Right now I'm using this Swiss Beauty in the shade Cute Nude. I totally love this shade, and the quality of the lipstick, this is a matte lipstick, of course, and this is the shade. I'll swatch it for you guys. Tell me if you don't love this shade. So this is the shade, guys, and I will be wearing this one right now. That I have applied the lipstick, my look is complete now. So this is how it has turned out. I think I like it pretty much well. I do try this out every now and then. I think I love this look. Tell me how you think about it, and if you find it useful, give it a thumbs, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. It will mean the world to me. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.